In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your two-step verification phone number on Exness. By the end, you'll have your new number set up for one-time passwords, keeping your account secure and accessible. First, log into your Exness personal area, either on the official website or through the Exness app. Make sure you have your new phone nearby, switched on, and able to receive SMS. It also helps to be on a stable internet connection so nothing interrupts the process. Once you're in your personal area, find the Settings menu. On desktop, it's usually in the main navigation. On mobile, it may be behind a menu icon. Expand Settings to see more options, and then open Security Settings. This is where all your protection features live, including two-step verification. Inside Security Settings, look for the two-step verification section. You'll see an option to change it. Go ahead and click or tap Change. This will open a guided flow so you can update the phone tied to your OTPs. Next, select the new phone number option and choose Next to proceed. You're now ready to add the number you want to use from now on. Enter your new phone number carefully, including the correct country code. A small typo here can prevent you from receiving the code. So take a moment to double check each digit before you continue. When you're sure the number is correct, select Send me a code. Keep this screen open while you wait for the one-time password to arrive via SMS. Codes typically arrive within a few seconds, but it can take up to a minute depending on your network. If nothing comes through, ensure you have signal, avoid requesting multiple codes too quickly, and watch for any device settings that might filter messages. As soon as you receive the code, enter it exactly as shown. OTPs expire, so it's best to type it in right away. After you submit the code, Exness will confirm that your two-step verification phone number has been updated successfully. That's it. From now on, any login or security confirmation that uses two-step verification will send the OTP to your new phone number. If you ever replace your device or change numbers again, just repeat these steps. Keeping your verification number up to date is one of the simplest ways to maintain strong account security while ensuring you can always access your personal area when you need it.